How to blur video in Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So we're going to teach you how you will be able to easily blur parts of your videos using Canva over here. It's actually very straightforward and very simple. So first things first that we're going to do is, of course, we're going to click on video over here so we could create the type of video or edit our video. So let's say you're trying to edit a mobile phone or a mobile video. Simply click on mobile video over here, or if you're editing like a YouTube video or a landscape video, simply choose the corresponding sizing over here in the top section, because that will help you a lot with maintaining the sizes or like the aspect ratio for all of those things. But anyway, for example, over here we have a video over here that I have uploaded. So what we're going to do here, so let's say I want to blur out a specific part of my video. So over here below, you could actually see, like a video editor, different parts of your video. So for example, at 0.45 seconds, you could see this is what I'm seeing. So simply put or go to the area that you want to blur out. So for example, this part, I want to blur this area out. Simply click on your elements over here and search for blur. So this will allow you to have some graphics over here for all kinds of blur, either mosaic or just a typical blur. Simply, for example, let's choose a very traditional blur, something like this. So as you can see, you will be able to cover a certain part of your video over here. So for example, just hover it on a specific part that you don't want people to see. For example, this area over here, and you can see here below that this is the entire element of our blur. So now, instead of it being present in all areas of your video, simply isolate it by simply selecting it, and we're going to drag it just like this and simply put it where you want it to occur or to have or to be placed in, as you can see. So I want it only to be 5 seconds on this specific part of the video. So if we play it from here, as you can see, it will appear, but after 5 seconds it should go away just like that. I have another one over here, but this time it has a box version. So this one could have better effects on a mobile option over here. As you can see, it will be able to cover much bigger areas for your section. You could also crop this a bit. So if you want only a specific part, you could also crop it if you want, or like if you want it to be much smaller. If you don't want it to be this white, or like just have a subtle transparency, you could also do that. You could adjust the transparency strength over here. And what else could we do? We could also animate this so that it doesn't just pop up just like that. We could have some animate option over here. We could have some blur effect so that it appears much more subtle, and you could do it for both entry and exit. So for example, over here, if you play it, it will show up much nicer, and at the end part it should also go away very easily just like that. So you could choose between different options over here. There's different options, as you can see, but I think, or the best one would be the blur option as well. Aside from that, you could have as many blur options or blur effect that you want to have on your design. So for example, we have this one over here at the top. If you're wondering if you could overlap or have multiple elements on top of your website or your design, so let's add another one over here. Let's say this one, just an example. We could put this one over here below of our video, just like that, and we're just simply going to do the same thing over here, drag it on top of our section that we want it to appear in, and as you can see, we are able to successfully overlap 2 effects at once. So you could have as many effects as you want, or as many elements as you want on your design. It's not really going to change much or going to really matter, but you are able to easily add that. So now in a real world application or real life application, you would have longer videos, and of course you will be able to put things like this very easily, much quicker. And after this, after you're satisfied with it, after you checked it out, after playing it, simply click on share, click on download, and simply download it as an MP4 over here, or if you want, have 4K over here as an option. But anyway, that's basically it, guys. If you want to be able to try out what we're doing without any limitations in Canva, since a lot of elements over here are pro, simply click the link in the description below to get a free 30-day free trial for Canva Pro. And that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.